and welcome back to Emily Educates How to Use Technology. Today I will be explaining by using simple steps how to download new apps onto your device. Feel free to pause the video whenever you wish so that you can follow along at your own pace. First, open the App Store app. It is blue with a white A in the middle. Find the app you wish to download by typing the name into the Search tab. You will see your app come up onto the screen. Next, click the word Get to the top right of your app. Confirm your download by entering your passcode. Now, the app will begin to install on your device. You may need to scroll to the second or third home screen onto your page if you have many apps on your first home page to see your new app. You will see a loading image next to your app whilst it is still downloading. Once the app has finished installing, it will show up on your screen. Congratulations! You have successfully learnt how to download a new app onto your device. This will work on any Apple device you wish to use it on. Thank you for watching Emily Educates How to Use Technology.